yesterday. I sent Deku yeah. Yeah, no. Instead, I'm gonna make a nest. Wait, why can't I? I'm gonna make a nest in front of you. and I'm gonna make large babies.
What?
and I'm gonna hatch them all at the same time.
I'm gonna lay more eggs.
Kidding.
It's gonna be Rizuku. And then this is gonna be Midoriya. This is gonna be Deku.
What?
I'm waiting for my children to hatch. What the heck? How did yours hatch so fast? Is that
Also, wait, I can copy your design?
what?
Yo. I'm green. Why am I green now?
Follow.
Bro. I look like someone from Sesame
Why
Street.
aren't they following me? Where's my children?
Because you can set it to me.
Follow.
I'm gonna eat my nest now. I'm gonna abandon my children now.
Why aren't they moving?
I don't know. If you move, they move. I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
I'm gonna abandon them. Or
Yeah, you can fletch. This game is. I'm gonna be Jade.
babies.
I'm gonna be Jade.
You're just staying there. Oh, they're stuck underground. I see why.
You're stuck.
Yeah. I'm abandoning my children.
Oh no, how dare you.